My name is Carl Muir and I'm a technical consultant at EAS, the UK's leading UiPath partner. Welcome to our tips and tricks catalogue. This video will explain how to send an email in Outlook when the robot is restricted to do so. You may have seen an error message like this. And you may have tried to click allow using the robot, but it still times out because the problem is Microsoft Outlook is still trying to send the Outlook message at the same time whilst the robot is trying to handle this error. So firstly, if you're unsure where this message appears, it's in our options of Outlook, in the Trust Center, in the Programmatic Access, and that's here. So we don't have admin rights to change that. No problem. So how can we do this in Studio? We can do this with parallel activity, so that these two actions, side by side, will work simultaneously. Let's have a look at our flowchart. We'll start with a 2-second delay. Now these delays are key to making the solution work, and their timings. Secondly, element exists with a Boolean value. This is to see if the error message actually appears into our decision, so that if it's actually there, we go through the sequence of clicking the buttons. So allow, radio button, allow, and here we have a 6-second delay, which might seem excessive, but it's the only way to make it work. And there's our final allow. Okay, so on the other side of the parallel activity, we have our actual send Outlook mail message. But again, just before that, a 2-second delay. So let's see if this works. Here's our message, click the button, our longer delay before our final allow. Okay, so the robot didn't fail. And let's have a look. There's our email. Great stuff. Thanks for watching. Why not head on over to our dedicated RPA forum where you can pick up further tutorials, tips, or even post your own queries where our experienced consultants will be on hand. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more content coming soon.